How to use Popl Business Card. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Popl for business card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Popl, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Popl or POPL, it is a tech company and digital networking platform that helps professionals and teams modernize how they share contact information and capture leads. Originally known for its digital business card products that use NFC or near-field communication technology and QR codes to let users instantly share their contact details, social profiles, files, and many more. And Popl has expanded into a comprehensive in-person lead capture and engagement platform. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description, or you can also proceed by clicking the Get Started button in here. After clicking this button below, on this pop-up window, you have an option to choose for my team or for myself. I'm going to choose for myself, and by clicking on it, you automatically be directed in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to click myself and choose or click the Get Started button below. And then proceed by entering here your full name. For example, this is the name of our business, Vistra, and click the continue button. So as you can see, I'm just going to enter here Vistra Accounting Services and click the continue. And after that, under the job title, you can simply enter here your job title on that company, for example, CEO, and the company name is Vistra in here. Once done, the next thing that you need to do is to enter here your email address, your phone number, and even some of the recommended links. For example, for the email address, I'm just going to simply invent here vistra@gmail.com. And for the phone number, let's say in here. Once done, you could also add the link in. By clicking on it, all you need to do is simply enter here your profile link and also the link title. And it will show you also on the right side panel what it looks like. We have now already entered our email, phone number, link, and account. And for the website or additional links, you can click this one. And in this pop-up window, all you need to do is simply select here the kind of content you want, including to add your Instagram account, your Calendly, your Twitter or X, or Cash App for payment, Venmo, PayPal, and many more. And for the text in here, all you need to do is simply enter the kind of text you want the people to see. For example, I'm going to enter here a random one, which is to avail our services. Kindly contact us. But you could also enter here a variety of contexts you prefer. But since we're creating here a business card, you can simply enter here a context related to our business card. For example, in here. You could also copy or enter here our business link. For example, this website, vistra.com, and click add link. Once done, it will show in here what it looks like. You could also add a website link such as the vistra.com and enter here the link title. And upon clicking add link, it will show you what it looks like. So if you're now done, you can now proceed by the next step after adding here some of your content that you prefer. And that includes the video, the drop down, the payment for music, for content, real estate, and any other kind of integration. And by clicking the continue button below, the next thing that you need to do is to simply sign in using your email, entering here your password, or even continuing using your Google account. And in this option, I'm going to choose to continue using my Google account. Upon clicking on the button below or in here, the next thing that you need to do is simply sign in our account in order to get the business card that we just created earlier. Or we could also start customizing it after the complete sign up. And we also need to enter here the verification code. So all you need to do is simply open your Gmail account and simply enter here or paste the verifying email code. All we need to do is to copy this one and paste it directly in here. And upon verifying the email code, all we need to do in here is you will be directed on the page or the dashboard, and it will ask you on this pop-up window to choose the plan. You have here free plan, Pro, and Pro Plus, with its corresponding feature and list of pricing and benefits. But in this part, I'm just going to choose the free one and click the continue button right here. You could also download the Popl app by scanning this QR code. But once done, we are now here on the dashboard, and it will show us under My Card section the content, including our About section, links, and many more. And from here, under About, you can choose the theme of the card, including by choosing the color palette that we prefer, and even the link color, the font style, font size, and even uploading a profile image by clicking on it and choose for your profile picture on your computer files. Let's say this one, I'm going to simply click crop, and you could also upload a cover photo that you prefer. All you need to do is do the same thing of choosing the photo and cropping it. And once done, you should be able to see the result. You could also enter the company logo if you want to, and many more. But basically, we have here now the location that we're going to enter. For example, our location is in New York, and you can even enter here the kind of street that you're into, your location. For example, Cornelia Street. Once done, as you can see, it will show you in here below a variety of options, including the information, including the job title, our bio that we could also add. And also make sure to save the changes so that the information that you just add would not be wasted. Now once done, you could also navigate a variety of options on the left side panel as well in here, including our contacts, tags, insights, integration, support, and settings option, which are more pretty much accessible also on this Popl dashboard. And now after saving it, it will show us in here on the right side panel some of the links and also what it looks like when a customer visits our business card. You could also click lead capture form to see the form that a customer will see in order for us to capture the leads. And that includes some of the field, we've here name, email, and many more. And aside from that, you could also enable this follow-up email if you could also want to schedule follow-up email delay and many more. It will show you on the right side panel what it looks like. And if you also want to share your business card, just click the QR code option. It will show you can choose the right color of your QR code and many more. Or you could also, or the customer can simply scan the business card and it will show you in here that they will be directed in our business card info. And also in here, in choosing the virtual background, you can simply click any of this and it will automatically show you the real-time result on the top right corner, which is our business card. You could also enter here or navigate the email signature to upload your signature. Now under the contact section, from here you can upload your contact information, while under tags, it will show you some of your leads that you capture. Under insights, it will show you all of your analytics, data of leads, views, and many more. For the integration, you can even integrate a variety of applications such as your email, Outlook, your Zoho account, Monday account, Slack, Zapier, and many more. So basically, Popl used to modernize how professionals, teams, and our organizations connect, network, and convert in-person interactions into real business outcomes. Instead of handling out traditional paper cards that can be lost or thrown away, Popl allows users to share their contact details instantly through NFC technology or a QR code. And overall, that is just how you can use Popl Business Card. Thank you.